Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can select multiple items within Canva. So as you can see, these are all separate items, separate squares. So if I want to select them all, for example, to mass delete them or to mass move them, it's very easy. So one way of doing this is just by, moving the cursor out of the screen and then holding, tapping and holding and then swiping between all of the items. As you see, this is now selected. You can, for instance, group them. But if you want to, select every item except for this one, for example, you can just hold down Shift and then tap on it, and now tap and tap, 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 and as you can see, everything is now selected except for this one. So yeah, you can do that by doing this, but now you have everything selected. You also can tap Shift, and now this one isn't selected. So it's really useful. You can play around with it. For example, you now just can delete everything. You can, move everything, make everything smaller. Yeah, you can play around with it. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe. It means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.